So, hello everyone. Preparation point again come with a very important topic. In this complete video, we will see the top MCA colleges in Mumbai with specialization. As we know, in before videos, we see the top MCA colleges in Pune city. Some subscriber asked me for the top MCA colleges in Mumbai. So in this complete video we will see the top MCA colleges in Mumbai with the specializations, with their specializations. So one by one in this video we will see the detail. So first college from the Mumbai for MCA course is the Veer Mata Jijabai Technological Institute. In short, we called it as a VJTI Mumbai. It is one of the college for the institute for the MCA course. It is a University of Mumbai. Fees structure is 87,000 for the first year and approx total for 2 years approximately 2 lakhs is necessary. You can take admission in this college for Maharashtra MCA CET on the base of CET score, and it is important college for the strong academic curriculum and the placement records. The next and very important college for the MCA course from the Mumbai is Sardar Patel Institute of Technology. In short, we call this as a SPIT Mumbai. It is a University of Mumbai affiliated by the University of Mumbai, and the fee structure for the first year is up to 1,30,000. You can take admission here on the base of Maharashtra MCA CET score, and it also offers the MCA program with the practical learning and the industry exposure. जैसे कि हमने देखा टॉप MCA कॉलेजेस फॉर द पुणे सिटी, लाइक वाइज यहाँ पे हम मुंबई सिटी में कितने टॉप कॉलेजेस है जहाँ से आप MCA कर सकते हो ऑन द बेस ऑफ महाराष्ट्र CET स्कोर, वही हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. तो ये हमने देखा सेकंड कॉलेज. तो कंप्लीट वीडियो वॉच करें, वहाँ पे हम डिटेल में सभी कॉलेजेस का डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन देखेंगे. सो द थर्ड कॉलेज इज़ द मुकेश पटेल स्कूल ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी मैनेजमेंट एंड द इंजीनियरिंग. इन शॉर्ट वी कॉल्ड इज एज अ MPS TME NMIMS. It is affiliated by NMIMS University. The fees for per year is up to 3 lakhs rupees. You can if you want to take admission in this college, so you want to qualify the entrance exam organized by the NMIMS, and it is known for the modern infrastructure and industry aligned curriculum. So it is one of the best college for MCA from the Mumbai. Then the next one is the KJ Somaiya Institute of Management Mumbai. It is also known for MCA courses. Somaiya Vidya Vihar University affiliated by, and the free structure for the 1 year is up to 3,75,000. You can take admission on the base of Maharashtra MCA CET score, and it is important or highlighted because of high placement rate with the top recruiters. So it is one of the best college. You can take admission here for the bright future. The next college we discuss here from the Mumbai is the Vivekananda Education Society Institute of Technology. In short, we call this as VESIT Mumbai. So सारे मुंबई के जितने भी टॉप कॉलेजेस हैं जहाँ से आप MCA कर सकते हो, वो सभी कॉलेजेस हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. इट इज़ आल्सो affiliated by University of Mumbai. The free The fee structure of approximate 2 years fee is 1,77,000 rupees, and you can take admission here on the basis of Maharashtra MCA CET, and it is also consistent placement record with the reputed companies. The next college here is the very popular college or the university, you can call this as the MIT University Mumbai. It is also affiliated by MIT University, and the fee structure for the 2 years is 4.4 lakhs rupees. If you want to take admission here, you want to qualify the MIT entrance test exam, and it is highlighted for the global curriculum and the strong industry connections. The next college you can take admission here, it is a Guru Nanak Institute of Management Studies, GNIMS Mumbai. It is one of the best college. It is also affiliated by the University of Mumbai. The fee structure is I don't know, so here I put not specified, and you can take admission on the basis of Maharashtra MCA CET also, and it is highlighted for the placement assistant and the industry collaborations. So in this complete video we will see the top colleges फॉर योर MCA. तो मैं आपको सभी बता रही हूँ कि MCA के लिए महाराष्ट्र MCA CET स्कोर भी कहाँ लगेगा, और कुछ ऐसे यूनिवर्सिटी है जो अपने खुद एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम कंडक्ट करते हैं. देन द नेक्स्ट कॉलेज वी सी इज़ द MET इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस, MET ICS Mumbai. It is also affiliation by the University of Mumbai, and the fee structure is up to 3.48 lakhs total fees for the 2 years. You can take admission on the basis of Maharashtra MCA CET score, and it is highlighted for the comprehensive curriculum and the placement support. तो यहाँ भी बहुत अच्छे कंपनीज आते हैं जो आपको प्लेस हायर करते हैं. And the next college we see from the Mumbai for the Maharashtra MCA CET or for the MCA course is the National Institute of Management, NIM Mumbai. मुंबई के सारे कॉलेजेस, टॉप कॉलेजेस मैं आपको यहाँ पे डिस्कस कर रही हूँ. इट इज़ अंडर यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मुंबई. द फी स्ट्रक्चर इज़ 80,000 अप टोटल, अप टू 80,000. The admission is based on the Maharashtra MCA CET score, and it is highlighted for its affordable education with focus on a practical skills. तो अभी हमने जितने भी कॉलेजेस देखे सबसे कम फीस इसी कॉलेज का है, इसीलिए ये नोन है फॉर इट्स अफोर्डेबल एजुकेशन विथ फोकस ऑन प्रैक्टिकल स्किल. तो वन ऑफ द गुड कॉलेज जिनको फाइनेंशियली MCA तो करना है, मुंबई से करना है, बट फीस स्ट्रक्चर कम रहना चाहिए, तो वो इस कॉलेज के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. देन इन द टॉप 10 कॉलेजेस, द लास्ट कॉलेज टॉप 10 इज़ द श्रीमती नाथीबाई दामोदर ठाकरसी वुमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी. इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज SNDT Mumbai. Affiliated by the SNDT Women's University. The fee structure I don't know, so here I put not specified. It is also based on the Maharashtra MCA CET, and it is highlighted or known for its old. It is one of the oldest women's university emphasizing technical education. So in this video we will see the top 10 colleges. This is the top 10 colleges for MCA course from Mumbai. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.